Have you ever been to Disneyland or the Dole Plantation in Hawaii and wish you could make Dole Whip at home? In this episode, we will make Dole Whip. Let's get started. To make the pineapple Dole Whip, we're going to add 1 cup of frozen pineapple, which is approximately 225 grams or 8 ounces. ½ cup or 118 milliliters of pineapple juice. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of icing sugar, See you in the next episode.